Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from La Banque Postale. Start by opening the La Banque Postale mobile app on your phone or go to the official La Banque Postale website in your browser. Log into your personal banking space using your username and password. After you log in, you will arrive at your account dashboard. From here, look for the section called Manage or Transfers. In most cases, you will see an option that clearly says Transfers. Tap or click on it to open the transfer management page. Before sending money, you need to make sure the recipient is registered as a beneficiary. If this is the first time you are sending money to this person, choose the option to add or register a new beneficiary. You will need to enter the recipient's banking details, such as their name and IBAN. After entering the information, the system will ask you to confirm the registration using Certicode. When confirming this step in the mobile app, it will ask you to enter the PIN code that you normally use to log in to the app. Enter that PIN to securely approve the operation and complete the beneficiary registration. Now return to the transfer section. Select the beneficiary you just added, or choose an existing recipient from your list. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the details carefully. Confirm the transfer when everything looks correct. The bank will process the payment according to the transfer schedule. Thanks for watching.